welcome back to another party night at the Miccosukee. And remember, we're gonna be there every other Saturday until August 3rd. No, August 3rd. So it should be fun. If you guys want to come hang out for free, dance, have a free drinks. Well, the drinks you gotta pay for, but the dancing part is for free. So you know, and then maybe you could try out your luck at the casino. I don't know, I've never been in the casino there, but you know, so good.
When to get in is free. You don't have to pay. That's what you said?
Yeah, to get in is free, so it's good. It's been raining for the past 2 to 3 days here. I don't know, I guess it's well, May is rainy season, I guess. Well, May is over. And why is it still raining? But we never know. So
in the summer it rains a lot.
So it's been raining like crazy. And hopefully next weekend it doesn't rain and we'll be out in the water having some fun. Because now that the kids are on vacation. Summer vacation, so that means we could take longer out on the boat. We don't have to worry about rushing back on Sunday for Monday, or we could leave Friday. So hopefully that'll be good for me, because sometimes the kids don't like it. Let's go have some fun tonight. But before going to the Miccosukee, we're on a date. She's all dressed out bluey. You know how it is, bluey. So blue. We're going on a date. We're gonna have some dinner and then we're gonna go to Miccosukee because today Cito's DJing at the Miccosukee. We're taking turns. Can you guys figure out where we at? If you guys give me that. And I got it on camera. Wow, that was a close call. I guess she didn't know which direction she was going. That was scary. Lucky she was going slow. And lucky nobody was coming next to us.
She's gonna hit you.
So we're going to a restaurant that we think we only got like maybe once or twice here, but the food is really good. And the thing that I like about it is we eat a lot of chicken. I don't know why, but we eat a lot of chicken. And we realized that this place makes chicken with a complete different flavor and texture. So we kind of liked it. We tried it by mistake.
They call it chicken churrasco.
Chicken churrasco.
Like a skirt steak chicken.
Hey, what do you guys think? She wanted to steal the camera from me. She wanted to take it and record herself. That's what you told me behind the camera.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
I'm gonna take over the whole channel, not the camera.
Oh, okay. You see? What do you guys think? Should I? She wants to record her. Well, not herself, but she wants to record. You know, tonight. And I told her to go ahead. Oh, I don't know if it's early or late, but I just saw Christmas lights on the trees. And let me see. Here we go. Oh, VIP. You know me in the parking.
For real.
I got that VIP status.
You are one lucky guy.
The place is packed and I found parking. That's what you call luck. Wow, I feel lucky tonight. I wonder if the luck is gonna last through the whole night. So here we go to the show. So let's check out the menu. What is this? No, you can have it. It's okay.
No, hace mucho con mis ojos.
So blue like the ocean.
Let me have the camera. I'm taking over.
Oh no.
Thank you. So now you get to see his face.
Oh no. Now we're gonna get no views. So what do you think? Should she take over the channel or what?
Yeah, I think I'll do good.
Okay, so we got a little, I guess it's considered a side salad, right?
Look at my cucumber.
So we decided to talk a lot in this video because we never talk, especially to her. Cucumber, how's it taste? And then forgot the utensils. Very good. So here you go. They got a chicken churrasco. The season is kind of different, that's why it tastes good, right? You like it? She got salad, I got rice. Sweet plantains, and these are chips, plantain chips.
Sorry guys. It was too good.
Oh my
I
gosh.
forgot to record. I'm in charge of the camera today.
She drank it all and didn't give me a chance to
Sorry.
record it. That's how addicted she is.
I took over the camera, but then I forgot that I had to record everything. So, but
I guess how they say, good to the last drop. All right, so we just had a good dinner and it's time to go to the club, meet up with Cito. He's cutting it up
some fun.
at the night. I was gonna say in the sun, but there's no sun at the night. All right, let's go. So we're gonna jump on 27 all the way to Chrome, and then from Chrome all the way down to 8th Street to the Miccosukee, and then pretty cool. I'm gonna be a spectator because Cito's DJing, so I'm just gonna hang out, dance, check out the crowd.
We're here.
Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
We're here.
Take over the show. Wow, and yes, we're here at the Miccosukee. We're at the Miccosukee. Go check out Cito rocking the turntables. We're here at the Miccosukee. Un videito de qué? Of you walking? No, you're supposed to be holding the camera. All right, so let's check out the show, how it is tonight. Well, and you know how they say, better late than never. And yeah, in the beginning it was kind of slow, I guess due to all the rainy weather here in Miami. And yeah, even today it rained. I guess people were a little bit hesitant. But as the night got later, more people showed up. And it actually turned out to a good night at the club.
corito a los cubanos, porque los cubanos tienen una sabrosura, una guapería sabrosa. Y a los cubanos yo le tengo un corito que dice así: hacer el que bola con la negra Tomás.
Repite, Marlo, ¿cómo qué? ¿Qué cosa?
Hacer el que bola con la negra Tomás.
Hacer el que bola, mira con la negra Tomás. Hacer el que bola con la negra Tomás. Esta negra me masajea, mira, y la negra me hace el que bola con la negra Tomás. Yo no sé qué bola, yo no sé qué bola le pasa. Hacer el que bola con la negra Tomás. Oye, esa negra está monstruosa y hacer el que bola con la negra Tomás. Mira qué bola, mira que me dijo esa negra con
Un play.
Ven pa' acá, ven. Mira lo que está pasando.
Goza, papi.
Hacerle que bola con la negra Tomás. Hacerle que bola con la negra Tomás. Ay, yo no sé qué va a hacer que bola con la negra Tomás. Pero vamos a darle cintura. Hacerle que bola con la negra Tomás. Ahora, negrito, no digas que está dura. Hacerle que bola con la negra Tomás.
I'm in charge. I took over.
Alright, so we had a good time out here in Miccosukee Block Pump. You didn't see the block, see like spill.
No. Dale, pescado caliente. Pescado caliente.
Pescado caliente, el que le gusta a la gente.
Hey.
Oh, we got a rapper. De hialeah y la 40.
Oh, hey, listen. The only rapping I do is in Christmas.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
You know what's funny? Every time we put Dale, people read it in English and they go, hey, who's this guy Dale everybody's talking about?
Dale's in the house.
Oh, you know what? Shout out to everybody who left a comment on the Hollywood video. That stage was built, what, in 1923, but then they rebuilt it in 1960.
Yo,
And then Fresco came back and built it in 1992.
we got top-notch security right here in Miccosukee.
Of the world, Craig.
Yes, sir.
Top-notch security of the world. I got a sign here.
Hey, I know you guys. Where you guys going? I know you guys.
They going.
We are going.
I don't want to tell you where they're going. They're going to la carreta. To get some croquetas. All right, listen. They give you a warning here, only at the Miccosukees, that when you go to the parking lot, you gotta look around your car, because there could be alligators in the parking lot. Look.
Them gators.
You can see the sign. Oh yeah, I got the swamp right there.
Yeah, so listen. Big Mama says she wants some alligator shoes. Better jump in the swamp.
Them gators. I want some alligator bites.
Who?
What? Alligator bites.
You're being a gentleman?
Yeah, it's first time. What is this?
What'd you find, a quarter?
She got some french fries.
You gonna eat it?
No, too hard.
You can eat ketchup? That's what happens when you got kids. Peace and chicken grease.